Coinomi versus Trust Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are available in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Coinomi and Trust Wallet to help you determine which one is the best fit for your cryptocurrency storage and management needs. Coinomi Wallet is a highly versatile multi-currency wallet that supports over 1,700 cryptocurrencies and tokens, making it an excellent choice for users with diverse portfolios. Available on both desktop and mobile platforms, Coinomi emphasizes privacy by keeping private keys stored locally on the user's device. It also offers a built-in exchange feature for seamless trading and multi-language support to cater to users globally. However, its interface, while functional, may appear slightly outdated compared to more modern wallets. Coinomi is well-suited for users who value comprehensive multi-asset support and ease of use. Trust Wallet, owned by Binance, is another powerful multi-currency wallet with support for thousands of cryptocurrencies and tokens, including NFTs. It's a mobile-first wallet with an intuitive and sleek interface, making it appealing for both beginners and experienced users. Trust Wallet also enables in-app staking for earning rewards on select coins and features a Web3 browser for decentralized DApp access. Unlike Coinomi, Trust Wallet integrates tightly with the Binance ecosystem, making it ideal for Binance users or those actively trading on the exchange. It also emphasizes user control by ensuring private keys remain on the user's device, though it currently lacks a desktop version. When choosing between the two, consider your needs. Coinomi excels in asset diversity and offline desktop functionality, making it a great choice for users managing large portfolios on multiple platforms. On the other hand, Trust Wallet stands out for its mobile-first design, staking features, and NFT support, making it perfect for users who prefer a modern, mobile-centric wallet with added functionalities like DApp integration. Both wallets are secure and user-friendly, so your choice should align with your platform preferences and use cases. Explore the links in the description to learn more and decide which wallet works best for you.